Magandang araw mga kaibigan. Good news po ang pag-usapan natin tungkol kay BP Inday Sara. Naglabas na po ang Publicus Asia ng kanilang year-end survey. It was conducted November 29 to December 3 among 1,500 respondents. So, tinanong ang respondents, sino yung most approved among the top 5 government officials, sino yung may pinaka-highest na trust, sinong pinagkakatiwalaan nila. Okay, si BP Sara ang nangunguna. Nilampaso niya lahat yung 4 others, yung President, PBBM, Chis Escudero, Martin Romualdez, Chief Justice. Okay. So ito, mayroong post si E.B. Hugalbot 4 minutes ago. So salamat Mr. E.B. Hugalbot. Magaling mag-research ito. Sabi niya, the unvowed rules. BP Sara Duterte remains the most trusted and still with the highest approval rating among the top 5 government officials based on Publicus Asia's end of the year survey. Survey period is from November 29 to December 3, 2024. Base or respondents is 1,500. After more than 2 years of relentless demonization powered by a multi-million demolition job by Martin and his minions. Ito, binabasa ko lang post ni E.B. Hugalbot. And even after what happened in the lower house, where the Vice President uttered her now infamous line suggesting her revenge from the grave, should anything happen to her, she's still queen of the jungle, not the cat or the frog, nor the crocodile. Unsurprisingly, after billions of pesos of ayuda, Martin Romualdez still cannot lift himself from the bottom. Pathetic loser. Okay, so ito na. 2024 pahayag end of the year survey, approval and trust rating of top 5 government officials. Ito na po yung result ng So masyadong maliliit dito sa isinulat ko na lang dito sa aking notebook. So, unahin natin si PBBM. Nilagay ng Publicus Asia yung third quarter na rating nila at yung fourth quarter, itong end of year. So, si PBBM, nung third quarter, ang kanyang approval rating is 41%. Ngayong fourth quarter, bumaba siya ng 37%. Yung trust rating ni PBBM nung third quarter is only 28%. I'm sorry, iba ang nabasa ko. Escudero pala yun. BBM ito. BBM, ang approval rating niya nung third quarter is 43%. Ngayong fourth quarter, 33% na lang. Ang trust rating ni PBBM nung third quarter is 32%. Ngayon, 23% na lang. Si BP Sara, ang kanyang approval rating nung third quarter is 40%. Ngayong fourth quarter is 37%. Ang trust rating ni BP Sara nung third quarter is 33%. Ang trust rating niya ngayong fourth quarter is 31%. Escudero, ang approval rating niya nung third quarter is 41%. Ang kanyang fourth quarter approval rating is 37%. Ang trust rating ni Escudero nung third quarter is 28%. Ang kanyang trust rating ngayong fourth quarter is only 26%. Si Speaker Martin Romualdez, third quarter niya na approval rating is 25%. Ngayong fourth quarter, 20% na lang ang kanyang approval rating. Ito, ang kanyang trust rating, 18% noong third quarter. Ngayon, fourth quarter is 13%. Si Chief Justice Gismondo, ang kanyang approval rating nung third quarter is 28%. Ngayong fourth quarter is 25%. Trust rating niya, 20% nung third quarter. At fourth quarter is 17% na lang. So, compare na natin silang lima. Ang may pinakamataas na approval rating si BP Sara at 37%. Tie sila ni Senate President Escudero. 37% silang dalawa. Okay? At ang pinakamataas na approval rating pala yun. Sinabi ko, I'm sorry. Baka ang may pinakamataas na approval rating among the top 5 government officials ay si BP Sara at saka si Senate President Escudero at 37% approval. Ang may pinakamataas na trust rating for fourth quarter, si BP Sara at 31%. Pumapangalawa si Senate President Escudero at 26%. Pumapangatlo si Chief Justice Escudero. Trust rating ang may pinakamataas si BP Sara, 31%. Sumunod si Escudero at 26%. Pangatlo na lang si BBM at 23%. Ang pang-apat si Chief Justice Gismondo at 17%. Pinakamababang trust rating ay si Speaker Romualdez, only 13%. Actually, ang pinakamababang score si Speaker Romualdez. Yung approval rating niya, siya rin ang may pinakamababa, 20. Okay, yung pagbaba. Nako, grabe ang pagbaba ng rating ni PBBM. Yung approval rating niya dati 43. Ngayon 33 na lang, bumaba siya ng 10%. Yung trust rating niya, dati 32, ngayon 23 na lang, bumaba siya ng 9%. 10 and 9. Samantalang si BP Sara, bumaba rin. Kailang ang pagbaba ng kanyang approval rating from 40 to 37, 3% lang ang binaba sa approval rating ni BP Sara. Samantalang ang kanyang trust rating bumaba rin, kailan from 33 to 31, 2% lang ang kanyang ibinaba. Okay? So, doon mo na makikita, ang taong bayan hindi nila maluloko. Kailan nagsimula yung Quadcom, kailan nagsimula yung Committee on Good Government, kailan siya nag-imbestiga. 3 months na. So dapat sana, kung epektibo ang paninira nila kay BP Sara, dapat sana bumulusok na yung rating ni BP Sara. Dapat sana, yung nangyari kay Vice President Jejomar Binay nung, kailan ba yun, 2010, nangyari na sana. Kaya lang, iba si BP Inday Sara. Hindi nila kaya. Okay, magbasa lang tayo ng mga comments, ano? Si Ibi Hugalbot, sabi niya, kawawang tamba, he may have all the money in the world, but not genuine love, loyalty, and respect. And for that, he is the poorest man I know. May nag-reply kay Ibi Hugalbot. True, sabi ni Chelonia Midas. Elimar Bitel, sabi niya, the poorest and the wicked man, Martin Luther King. Lamara Manet, correct. O.J. Ginto, he is unlovable, meaning si speaker. Albert Sawyer, ha ha ha, what a beta male, ha ha ha. Yohami Johnreg, excuse me, sir, with all due respect, that's the taxpayers' money, not his. He's going to be jailed soon. So all the guilty ones protect the others. Okay. So, Crispo Carlex, hirap na hirap umakyat ng rating ni Martin Luther King. Iba yung spelling ng Luther, hindi yung L-U-T-H-E-R. Luther na, basta from the word Lut. Nona Ferrando, solid Duterte forever. Ausbach Marie, sa kanilang lahat, si Sara lang ang mapagkatiwalaan. Ang iba dyan, pera-pera lang, kaban ng bayan. So, daming mga comments na pabor kay BP Sara. Salamat sa Publicos Asia sa inyong survey. Isa sa pinagkakatiwalaan kong survey group ang Publicos Asia. Ang bantayan natin yung yung Okta Research Group dahil napakataas ang rating ni Speaker Martin Romualdez doon. So, kailan kaya aakyat ang rating ni Speaker Martin Romualdez sa totoong survey? Taong bayan lang ang makakasagot niyan.